Okay, we're going to do something a little different. I have not found a video whatsoever on the quarter-hour cuckoo clocks, and I've been in the process of trying to learn these things, and I happened to came across this quarter-hour cuckoo clock, which I like extremely well. Even though there are parts missing, I have all the parts. There's the bird, needs glued back on. Here's the bottom piece, needs glued back on. But what I like about this quarter-hour cuckoo clock is the fact that you could take the bellows out, just like in a regular cuckoo clock. So we're going to be working on this cuckoo clock. It is made in Austria, and most of the quarter-hour cuckoo clocks, you can't take the bellows out. They're glued in. Well, you can take them out, but it takes a while to get them out. You have to, they're glued in, so you got to take a knife. So anyway, we're going to be discussing the quarter-hour cuckoo clock. The reason why it's a quarter-hour cuckoo clock is every 15 minutes when this goes around, it raises this arm, which raises the bellow. On this particular clock, the bellow on the left lifts the arm, the bird, through this wire right here. The bird has got a wire that comes out of its tail and goes through this wire. On most quarter-hour cuckoo clocks, the bellow on the right lifts the bird. But as you can see, this bellow on the left lifts the bird. And the bellow on the left also has this wire that lifts the bellow on the right bellow. Just like that. And then the bellow on the right wire, when it initially lifts, it has this wire here that's connected to this wire to keep it from dropping. If they both dropped at the same time, you would just hear coo. And that way, the bellow on the left lifts. It lifts the bellow on the right. The bellow on the left drops. Through these arms down here, and then this weight that's attached to this bellow on the right there's another function that drops the bellow on the right. That way you get coo, coo instead of just coo. They're called novelty clocks, but luckily this one, you could take the bellows out on it. So I'm going to go ahead and take the bellows out on it on this video, and then the next video we're going to repair the bellows. I'm going to take the movement out. And I'll be showing y'all some different novelty clocks. But again, this is the bellow on the left. and the bird goes through the wire. The bird has a wire on it that goes through this hole on this wire. So we'll fix that one up. The bird on the right, when it lifts, this wire catches this wire, and then when this bellow on the left drops, it hits this wire, which allows the bird on the right to coo. So we'll get more into that as we go along. But I really like this style of quarter-hour cuckoo clock. So I hope you all are enjoying this video. Please hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video.